Welcome to the Best Audiophile with your host, the Best, an audiophile. Today I review an affordable pair of headphones for my friends at the Audio Stuff channel, again out of Europe. When I say affordable, I mean very affordable for hi-fi standards. An amazing price of $179 US. This is the first thing to say about the Sivga Closeback SV021 Pro. That is even more significant that they are made out of wood. Wood is very good for the look, but it's also good for the sound resonance absorption. $179 US is an amazing deal for headphones made out of wood. Many wooden headphones can cost between $3,000 to $5,000, so 20 times the price more. Sound-wise, let's keep expectations to something realistic. The sound is okay under hi-fi standards. It's on the fun side. For the price, these headphones are great value. Their design is beautiful as well as their build quality. The materials used are comfortable and the skin can breathe. You're not ashamed to walk down the streets with these headphones. Another positive thing is that they're very light. 289 grams only. It's like nothing. It's half the weight of my previous headphones. Their driver is made out of 6 layers of black copper and aluminum alloy. So not the most light and agile material, but the aluminum helps for the speed. Their sensitivity is 106 dB and their impedance is 45 ohms. So they're fairly easy to drive, but I would recommend a dongle like this to get better dynamics and agility considering the copper they use in the driver. If you have an headphone amplifier, it's even better. The cable is of okay quality, but it's a bit rigid. Also, there's no balance connection, but for the price it's fine. One critique though is that the foam they use is a bit too hard, and maybe a bit too thin as well, so the air can pass through. The foam should be a little bit less rigid and more prominent to mold perfectly the shape of the skull. This would provide a better sound isolation and greater comfort. Right now the Sivga SV021 Pro don't provide great sound isolation. Sound-wise, the bass is very pleasant and fairly dynamic. The mid-range is recessed though. The highs are apparently, according to other reviews, fairly exaggerated. But in my case, I felt that they were restrained and limited in the low highs and the mid highs. It's only the high treble that felt a little bit exaggerated. When a trumpet hits or when a heavy crash on the drum hits, you can hear the sibilance. Okay, Sivga sends me a new version of the driver for the headphones. You have now the original and they sent me a new version revised for the sibilance. So after hearing, they both sound pretty much the same. They haven't changed much the driver, apparently, but it's still a very natural sound, very elegant, very a comfortable sound that they make, both of them. But the new version seems better with the very high frequencies in terms of naturalness and richness. They probably fix what some reviewers have found originally, but overall these headphones are a tremendous value for the money. I've been using, and they're really good. I've been using the new ones on a daily basis for my traveling. The only real problem right now that it should fix is the ear cups, because they don't isolate the sound really well. So you hear the sound of the streets when you're walking down the city. But basically to me, these headphones have great bass. The mids and the low treble can sound a little bit compressed or at least affected, meaning kept calm, a little bit rolled off. If they were a car, these headphones would be something like a Ford Mustang, a muscle car with bass and power potential, but with the heavy frame. The acceleration is not the most prime. So for the mids and the low highs, where most vocals and instruments reside. These headphones have some dynamics, but are not light and agile like high-end headphones I'm used to. They're great and fun for the price. Something very pleasant for music genre like electronic, pop or hip-hop. But music like classical or acoustic folk or jazz, you'll feel like a sheet of silk covering the speakers in some aspects. Understand me, at $179 US, these headphones are a tremendous value in terms of fun, in terms of style, in terms of build quality. It's hard to beat. But they're not the most refined headphones for hi-fi professionals. So in conclusion, they sound proper. They care to behave well, and they have some grit in the bass, which is perfect for some time of music and some people. They're very pleasant to use when you're on the go because they look nice and they're very light, and also because the bass is exciting, so I've been using them with pleasure in my daily life. I hope that this review was to your liking, and if you're considering purchasing a pair of headphones and you're on a budget, the Sivga SV021 Pro are a great value and plenty of fun. They look nice and you feel like nothing on your head. If you like our reviews, feel free to subscribe to our channels. The links are down below in the description. Also, if you want to chat with us when we're making these videos and you want to take part of the process of making them, you're kindly invited to subscribe to our Patreon. The link is down below also in the description. We're looking forward to seeing you in our next videos. Until then, take care, listen to good music, and goodbye.